And to start with, first of all, I will also like to introduce myself. My name is Shashwati Chatterjee. I started my spiritual journey a year back after I left my job, and I had learned different modalities, the predicting one and the healing ones also. And I am a tarot card reader, a spiritual healer, and a life coach. Also, I am clairvoyant and by since my birth. And I have learned. I also give spells and rituals to attract abundance in your life, and also some behavioral methods to attract abundance. Okay, and also I learned many spiritual healing processes. So you can see in my Facebook page the healing modalities that I am performing, and also I do perform psychic mediumship, so getting downloads from the spiritual world. So this was all about my introduction, and today I have come up with a beautiful video on angel communication. So angels, there are four clears to which angel communicate with us. The first and foremost clear is that clear clear vision. Okay, so the people who are clairvoyant, or clearly the people who can see angelic numbers, can see certain kind of sparkling orbs out of blue. And the people who can also see the angelic beings from the other world. Okay, so can download different messages from the other world. Okay, so this is called as clear seeing. And and the next clear is clear cognizance, which is also known as clear thoughts. Okay, clear cognizance. So the angel communicate also by the clear thinking method. So out of blue, the people who are cognizant. Okay, so the people who are clear cognizant can get or downloads from angel through clear thinking process. Like if supposingly I have to run a business, or I have to do something good about my business, a kind of a good idea which is being downloaded through clear thinking process, and I get to know about it without really knowing about it from someone else. Okay, so it comes by the thinking process. And also clear cognizance means, like I don't know to fix something. Okay, so for example, I got this tripod and I don't have manual for it. So without any help, I am able to fix my tripod. I am able to join my tripod, for example. Okay, so this is how angel communicate by clear cognizant method. Then comes clear sentience or clear sensing, or uh, so this is the method is very you can say a different method, you can say, and very less people can actually are clear sentient. Um so this is the method, like out of blue, out of nowhere, there is, you can sense that incense or essence of flower. So there is no flower around, and there is no such fragrance around yourself, and you can just feel. Okay, you can sense the presence of flower, incense of flower, the fragrance of flower. Okay, and also, like suddenly you can feel like there is a warm touch. Okay, so someone has touched us, and you can't see but you can sense. Okay, and also clear sentience also say that, like suddenly we are feeling ecstasy, like joy, excitement, compassion. Okay, so these are all people who develop clear sentient when they are awakened actually, and can be clear sentient since childhood. So this is the method of angelic communication. This was the third method. The fourth method is audience, clear audience. Okay, so clearly listening or able to hear something. Okay, so like when you are awakened, you are able to hear your name called. Okay, so have you ever heard about a story wherein there was a kid and that kid was used to hear some voices like I don't know, might you have heard about it or not, or we also have heard many stories about this, like someone was going and the name was called. Okay, so this had happened to me as well, that's why I can also quote this example. So when you are awakened, you can also hear your name. You are also being given something, a resolution or solution to any problem through auditory method. Okay, so auditory method means there is no one and you can hear someone talking to you. Okay, so this is how angel communicate with us. And also they with a clear audience method, like there's something you want help, and there's some kind of issue or some resolution you want from someone, and you can actually hear some message coming from TV or audio programs. Okay, so television something is running and out of blue you come to know about the solution of the issues. Okay, or any kind of solution if you want it. So with a auditory method you are able to download those angelic communication. So this was all about four clears which we developed. And also I would also like to add on this, that when once you are awakened by you are clear audience also, you can also sense a ringing in your ears. Okay, so in respect to this, I would like to add upon, during our assertion process, means where we are undergoing a awakening process, there is a ringing sound, which is a buzzing sound, which is there in our ears. We can feel it. Okay, so there it is all about assertion. So in my coming videos I will be also telling about assertions and what are the process, and what do it mean. So this was all about four clears of angelic communication. Hope you like this video, and hope you also get this angelic communication from your guardian beings, and also can download all the messages which is required in your life. And definitely it helped us, and it has helped me as well. So today I tried making this video and tried communicating with you as a mediumship from angelic world. So if you like this video, kindly share it to your friends, subscribe my channel, and with the name of page Seers of Light. And please do comment if you have any kind of feedback or any kind of topic you want me to tell you and guide you with. So in the description column you can also, if in the comment box you can also comment me. Okay, so good night, take care, and tata.